Get ready to unwrap the magic of the holiday season. This Black Friday, we're bringing you our exclusive card-making extravaganza. Imagine crafting over-the-top Christmas cards that will leave your loved ones in awe, mastering the art of making multiples in minutes for those last-minute crafters, and creating gift card holders for all occasions that will add a personal touch to every gift this holiday and for any celebration. But that's not all. We've packed these classes with tips, tricks, and exclusive bonuses to make your crafting journey truly unforgettable. From printable templates to insider insights, you're in for a crafting extravaganza. And the best part? For this Black Friday only, you can get all 3 classes for an incredible $47. That's an amazing 50% off the regular price. Click the Get It Now button and let's make this holiday season truly special.